The automatic opener in this video must be installed by a trained garage door professional installer. This video will demonstrate how to install an automatic technology Easy Roller 14 garage door opener on an existing door. Before you start, make sure that you've read the installation sheet and safety instructions. Make sure the site is clean, and place a 6-foot exclusion zone around the workspace. The opener can be installed on the right or left-hand side of the door, so choose the side that has enough side room and access to a general-purpose power outlet. Check the condition of the door. Do this by moving the door up and down. It should travel smoothly, be well balanced, and easy to operate by hand. Lift the door halfway and release it. The door should stay in place. If the door drops, have a professional garage door technician service the door. Check the contents of the install kit. Ensure you have the correct tools to complete the installation. Refer to the installation guide for more details. Install the locking bar covers if there are locking bar holes in the guides. Skip this step if not relevant. Secondly, fit the weight bar to the center of the door's bottom rail. Check the door rolls up neatly and is square on both ends. The door is now ready for pinning. Close the door fully, then roll the door back a third of a turn. Mark and drill 2 holes into the valley of the curtain on the drum. Repeat this action on both sides of the door. Make sure to position the fixings as low as possible within the valley of the curtain. Be sure to retest the tension of the door after it is pinned. Test the door tension by lifting it halfway and releasing. The door should stay in place. Go to the opposite end of the door to where the opener will be fitted. Check that the U-bolt is tight and secure. It's important to note that the bracket is inverted. This ensures maximum side room is available for the opener. If the bracket is not already fitted this way, reverse the door brackets. Open the door completely and tie safety ropes, approximately 1 foot from each end of the door. Do not tie the ropes too tight, as they will damage the curtain. Place the door stand under the door. Positioned at the end you will mount the opener. Use a marker to mark the position of the U-bolt within the door bracket. This ensures that the door will be refitted in the same position. Remove the U-bolt and saddle from the door bracket. The U-bolt and saddle can now be discarded. Use the door stand to lift the door off the bracket with enough clearance to slide the opener over the axle. At this point you may need to fit a drum wheel adapter. Here, we show the fitment of 2 types of drum wheel adapters. Slide the opener over the door axle and into the drum of the door. Make sure the opener adapter or spigots are engaged with the drum wheel. Now lower the door onto the saddle and bracket. Then, secure with the U-bolt and tighten. Remove the door stand and the safety ropes. Plug in the electrical cord to the power outlet. Secure the cord away from any moving objects so that it can't be damaged. Whilst the opener is still disengaged, manually lift the door up and down to make sure that it still runs freely. Installing the PE safety system. The PE safety system is supplied with the Easy Roller kit and is pre-wired to the unit. Run the cable of the PE beams to opposing sides of the door. Best practice is to install these cables in protective conduit to avoid damage of the cables. These beams must be installed at a regulatory height as per the installation guide. Place no higher than 6 inches and no lower than 5 inches above the floor level. Using a laser level, ensure the PE beams are level in both vertical and horizontal. Follow the alignment steps in the Easy Roller manual to ensure we have optimal alignment. Lower the door to the halfway position. Re-engage the opener by pulling the manual release cord down until you hear a click. It's now time to set the limits. For instruction on setting the limits, please go to the limit setting video. This has been an automatic technology training video. Automatic technology. Smart, simple, secure.